Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips for the TECNO Pop 7. So first of all, when you take a look for the volume buttons, they are located on the right side. You can click on the volume up or volume down, and as you can see, this screen is blinking, so it means that we actually take the photo. When you click and hold one of this button, there is no any function set up. In some smartphones you can take the burst shot, but in this phone you cannot do this. When you click on the shutter, we can only catch the focus and then take the photo. Next, when you click on the screen and when you have the sun icon, this one, you can basically change the brightness level manually, and you can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen. When you click right here on the right upper corner, you can find filters. And as you can see, they change the color and the temperature on our photos. Next, we can also open the settings where we can find other useful options. For example, we can customize function of these volume buttons. So currently they are set up to the shutter, but we can also use them to zoom in or zoom out, and take a look right now. When you click and hold volume down, volume up, you can smoothly zoom in, and with the volume down, you can smoothly zoom out. Next, when you go to the other settings, we can also enable the touch photography. So right now you don't have to press the shutter or volume buttons, you can just click on the screen and the photo will be also taken. And the next option that we can find useful, we can enable the fingerprint as a shutter. There we go, so the fingerprint is located on the back next to the camera. And also we can enable camera delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. So let me show you. Let's combine these two options right now, when I'm gonna press on this shutter. As you can see, it's countdown, and after the 3 seconds the photo will be taken. You can also find other modes in this phone. There's the portrait mode, the beauty mode. So in the beauty mode you can, for example, set up the face smoothness by using these options right here. So that's how you can use the beauty mode. And also there's no night mode, but if you want to get like a little bit better lighting condition, I can show you actually how it works. So take a look. When I have good lighting condition like right now, I can just take the photo and it will look just like that. Just normal photo, right? But when you have the bad lighting condition, I can recommend you to turn on the flashlight, just like that. And right now I'm gonna turn off my lights and take a look. When you are, for example, outside and there's no enough lighting condition, you can actually take the photo with the flashlight, and thanks to the flashlight, take a look, the photo looks good. So there's no night mode, but you can still use the flashlight and you will get a good photo when you are outside with the bad lighting condition. And basically that's all for the camera tips and tricks for this device. Hope you like it.